So if you're having problems pulling your turbo out of your 6.7 liter Cummins, this video may be helpful. So first of all, I mean, I wouldn't recommend replacing the turbo unless you absolutely have to, but most of the time, if you've done any research on these, the actuators will stick, and I'll show you what it does. I got a short video here of what the truck is actually doing when the actuator is stuck. And then I'll show you what the turbo looks like here, but I'm just gonna cut right to the chase. If you are having problems pulling this turbo, here's what you need. All right, so turbo was down there, and you see that heat shield right there? Not good. That thing is right in the way. You can't get anything out. You can't do anything with that thing in the way. As you can see, I mangled the oil drain tube. I already ordered one because I knew there was no way I was getting that thing out. Plus, I just like to replace it anyway, so yeah, get rid of that heat shield. Do yourself a favor, get rid of the battery box. Get rid of everything that's going to be in your way. It's going to be a whole lot easier because this thing is a bear to come out of there. You could twist it a little bit, you turn it down there a little bit, and it comes out pretty decent. But that heat shield right there, yeah,